keeping up with the motto that learning be joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are, the remote teaching and learning process. Recap. Happy learning.
Subject Mathematics, Standard 7, Chapter 12, Part 1, Topic Perimeter and Area. What is a perimeter? The word perimeter has been derived from the Greek word peri meaning around and metron means measure. You can see the given figures are there. Perimeter is the distance around the outside the shape. You can see that house and one round garden is given. So the perimeter will be what? The distance outside the given shape. Perimeter is the total length of the sides of a two-dimensional shape. We often find the perimeter when putting up Christmas lights around the house or fencing the backyard garden. Other examples may include finding the total length of the boundary of the saucer field or the length of the crochet or ribbon required to cover the border of a table mat. How to find perimeter? We use a ruler to measure the length of the sides of a small regular shape. The perimeter is determined by adding the length of the sides of the shape. For small irregular shapes, we can use a string of thread and place it exactly along the boundary of the shape. The total length of the string used along the boundary is the perimeter of the shape. You can see the two figures are there. This is regular polygon, this is irregular. If we have to measure this irregular, we can use the string and measure the boundary of this shape. Now see, this is regular, irregular polygon. To find the perimeter of regular polygon, sum of all the sides. All the sides are what? 4, 4, 4, 4. So answer is what? 16 centimeter. Or we can say perimeter of regular polygon equal to number of sides into length of one side. Number of sides are 4. Length of side is given how much? 4. So 4 into 4, 16. Now this is an irregular polygon. The formula remains same. Perimeter of irregular polygon is also what? Sum of all the sides. So add the measure of all the sides. You will get the answer 24 centimeter. Now the perimeter of some figures are given below. First is equilateral triangle. Perimeter equal to 3 into 8. Why 3 into 8? Because how many sides are there in equilateral triangle? 3. And each side is having the length A units. So perimeter will become P equal to 3 into A. In a scalene triangle, all the 3 sides are different. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. In a square, all the sides are of equal measure. So perimeter equal to 4 into A. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So perimeter is equal to 2A plus B. In quadrilateral, there are 4 sides, all the sides different length. Then perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. In regular pentagon, we are having 5 sides. Pentagon means 5 sides. Each side is of A units. Perimeter equal to 5 into A. In regular hexagon, how many sides are there? 6. Each side is of A units. Perimeter equal to 6 into A. Regular octagon, perimeter is equal to 8 into A because octagon is having how many sides? 8. If we are having a regular polygon having n sides, then perimeter will become P equal to n into A, where n is number of sides and A is the length of the side. Area. Area is the region bounded by the shape of an object. You can see in this slide, whatever is written inside is the area of this slide. Same way, the space covered by the figure or any geometric shape is the area of the shape. The area of all the shape depend upon its dimension and properties. Different shapes have different areas. The area of the square is different from area of rhombus. If two objects have a similar shape, then it's not necessary that area covered by them will be equal unless and until the dimension of both the shapes are equal. Suppose there are in two rectangular box whose length are L1 and L2 and breadth are B1 and B2. So area of both the rectangular box, say A1 and A2, will be equal only if length of first rectangular box is equal to length of second rectangular box, L1 equal to L2, and same way breadth of first rectangular box should be equal to breadth of second rectangular box, therefore B1 equal to B2. Area and perimeter formulas for all the shapes. There are many types of shapes. The most common ones are square, triangle, rectangle, circle, etc. To know the area and perimeter of all this, we need different formulas. Now let us see perimeter and area of a rectangle. You can see the figure is given. A rectangle is a figure shape with opposite sides equal and all angles equal to 90 degrees. The area of rectangle is the space covered by it in an xy plane. You can see this blue part inside this figure. This blue part is what? Area of this rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is what? Equal to 2a plus b. Means suppose the length is given a and breadth is given b. Perimeter will be equal to what? 2a plus b. Area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Suppose length is a, breadth is b. So length into breadth, a into b. Perimeter and area of a square. A square is a figure shape with all four sides equal and all angles equal to 90 degrees. The area of the square is the space occupied by the square in a 2D plane and its perimeter is the distance covered on the outer line. See, this is the perimeter. And what is area? This all green portion inside the given figure is the area. Therefore, perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. What is side given? A units. So, it will become 4a. Area of a square is equal to a square. Why it is a square? Because this side is also a, this is also a. So, side into side, formula of area of a square is what? Side into side. A into a, it becomes a square. Perimeter and area of a triangle. The triangle has three sides. Therefore, the perimeter of any given triangle, whether it is scalene, isosceles or equilateral, will be equal to the sum of the length of all the three sides. And the area of any triangle is the space occupied by its plane. You can observe in this given figure, this is the triangle. What is the inside portion? This yellow part is what? Area of a given triangle. Perimeter of triangle is what? Sum of all the three sides. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Then perimeter will be equal to A plus B plus C. Perimeter of triangle equal to A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are three different sides of the triangle. If area of triangle we have to find, then it will be equal to half base into the height. Half base into the height. This is the base and this is the height of a triangle, where B is the base and H is the height of the triangle. Thank you, children. Have a great day. Given below is the e-textbook link. Please go through it.